Medyo nagkakaedad na. Pero syempre, masaya at na-achieve yung 100. Pero sana mas madami pang panalo na dumating. Especially this season, this conference na madagdagan yung panalo pa. Especially sa mga next games namin.
Kaya pala, isa yung pakiramdam maging part ng ganyan achievement.
Coach Sherwin, I'm with Coach Sherwin since Ateneo, other professional teams then. So we've been together for so long. It's just so nice na magkasama pa rin kami na na-achieve ni Coach Sherwin yung mga ganitong milestones. And you know, this kind of milestones also secured or polished also kung gaano siya katibay or gaano siya ka-effective as a coach. So it's just I'm just very grateful and blessed to be under his mentorship as well.